So hello guys, this is Harshi from Karim's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to disable Twitter sound effect. Okay, so without getting any delay, let's jump into the topic. So firstly, you need to open your Twitter app in your mobile phone. Okay, so I just open my app and click on three lines on left side. So just go to settings and privacy and now click on display and sound. So now you can see sound effects. Okay, so just turn it off and now you just successfully disabled your Twitter sound. So thank you for watching.